Okay, in example 4, we're going to be given some equations with lots of different variables, and we're going to solve for just one variable. And so in the first example, we have p equals 2 times w plus 2l, so it's like perimeter equals 2 times width plus 2 times length, and we're going to solve for w. So the idea here is just get w by itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 2l from both sides. So you get p minus 2l equals 2w, and then get w by itself, you need to divide both sides by 2. So in this case, you'll get w is p minus 2 times l all divided by 2. And that's about as simplified as you can get. You could write that as p over 2 times, or minus l. So I guess you could say w is p over 2 minus l. But either one of those answers would be just fine. Okay, so for the next one, we have solved the formula for m, where k equals 1/3 e times m. So to isolate m, what we're going to do is multiply both sides by 3 to cancel with that 1/3. And you'll get 3k equals e times m. And now you need to divide by e. So divide both sides by e. And you get that 3k over e equals m. Alright, and now in the last problem we have we want to solve for p, and p is written down twice on the right hand side. So we're going to have to factor for our first step. So we're going to have a equals, and if I factor out a p out of that first expression, or the expression on the right hand side, I should get 1 plus rt. And you can check that by distributing p back in. If you take p times 1 plus rt, you get p plus prt. And now to solve for p, we just divide both sides by what we just factored. And so we get that p must be equal to a over 1 plus rt. And that's all there is to it. So if you have any questions on this, don't hesitate to ask me in class. Thanks.